Hey guys, AJ here, back with another one for you. So, guys, on one of my episodes, Send the Asteroid, that's my podcast that I do every week, guys. I interviewed a guy that actually got custody of his two daughters, right? Which is absolutely crazy because we know how rare that is. Now, guys, here we have a case of courtroom madness. Back to the courtroom we go, and we have a case here of a guy that actually has the judge terminated his child support. So, guys, we're going to get into this. But before we do, guys, like, subscribe, drop a comment. It really helps keep this channel going. If you guys like more videos like this, guys, check out the playlist at the end of the video and check out my second channel, 50 and 304's link in the description, guys. Let's go.
Sir, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm any testimony given this cause to be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, self be God?
Yes, sir.
All right. And you filed this motion regarding support?
Yes, sir.
All right. What are you requesting today and why?
Well, I got diagnosed for heart failure,
Damn.
and the doctor said I can't work. My heart will pop or stop if it beats too fast.
Jesus.
I'm looking at possible triple bypass surgery or heart transplant. My major arteries are clogged.
Okay.
And so I don't have an income to keep paying this $1,400 a month to her. I don't have an income.
All right. And you filed this back on May 15th. Did you send a copy to Lori Kester?
Yes, sir. I filed it through the court and she got hers. Yep.
Oh, have you talked to her?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she doesn't.
Guys, look at how nervous this guy looks. See how he's like biting his lips and stuff? Because, like, look at, like, you can just tell he looks sick, right? He looks like he's sick. There's something wrong. You can still see how nervous he is. Because, guys, we all know that guys get screwed over in court, right, guys?
Hasn't checked into the Zoom. Let me just double check the hallway, make sure she's not out there. Sometimes people sneak in.
Okay.
No, she's not out there. So are you requesting then oh boy.
So we have two daughters that are minors. One's going to be 18 in September and the other one will be 18 in June of 2026. And I've been paying $500 a month for each of the daughters and $400 a month for spousal support, a total of $1,400 a month. And I don't have a way to continue paying that.
Okay.
I gave her $110,000. It's all she's got all my money from the divorce. I think she's doing okay. I'm not.
So, you guys, he got $110,000 from the divorce. And I think later on he's going to say that she got the house. Hey, guys, he's paying child support and alimony. Clown world.
So I tried to talk to her about dropping it. My lawyer said if she could just agree, then you wouldn't have to go through the proceedings.
Yeah,
but
right.
She couldn't agree, so I just filed the proceedings.
Think about how evil that is, guys. And I know that I'm pausing it a lot, but the man's got heart failure. He said, can you please just not, can you agree to not pay child support? And that evil human being would not even agree to that.
Now, I did apply for a disability, and they're processing me. And they said that as soon as I'm all processed, they're going to apply for my kids so that the child support could be paid through the disability instead of me.
All right. And then is George Neros your doctor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you submitted a letter from Trinity Health. Now, that letter's not signed by him. You have a signed copy?
Yes, sir. I went back and said, hey, we forgot to sign this, and take the extra word out that shouldn't have been there. I haven't been thinking too clearly to catch up with the details. But yeah, I do have a signed copy. Let me see if I can show it to you right here.
All right.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, since the other party's not here, I can consider it. If she was here and was objecting to the entry of a letter, a lot of times letters are hearsay unless they're verified by somebody from the office or unless the doctor testifies themselves to verify the diagnosis and is available for cross-examination. But she's not here, so I can certainly consider that.
Basically means that if she was there, she could have made this even worse for him. Clown world.
There's only one problem. When you got this motion, this is presumed to be a child support motion. This I can't by law hear motions to raise or lower spousal support. So referees are appointed by the chief judge under MCL 552.507, and section 2A says a referee may do all of the following: hear all motions in a domestic relations matter except motions pertaining to an increase or decrease in spouse support referred to the referee by the court. So for whatever reason, when they created this position for referees to handle domestic relations matters, they, for whatever reason, carved out spousal support.
And why do you think they did that, guys? Why do you think they did that? Guys, put in the comments, take a guess why you think that they did that, okay? Because, guys, I'm telling you, the judges collect a percentage of all the alimony and child support, and they cannot put that into one judge's hands because they want to make things as difficult as possible to take so that money keeps coming out of men's pockets. Clown world.
Motions to raise or lower from what we're allowed to do.
Okay.
Probably when you asked for the motion, maybe you weren't specific that you're requesting me to consider both.
Yeah, I did. When it asked me on the form, I put spousal and child,
I see that.
and I
Well,
put
you
the
said,
total.
you said that's what you ordered to pay. But so I can enter an order today because this hasn't been opposed by the other party. I can enter an order to stop your child support
There it is.
effective June 1st. I can't, you're gonna have to file another motion on the spousal though, and I apologize for that oversight, but like I said, I'm statutorily prohibited from hearing motions to increase or decrease spousal support. All right.
Okay, so how do I, thank you very much, Mr. Page. And so when you say you put that order in, that means that it's a done deal and I don't have to pay that child support?
You won't have to pay. I didn't look it up, but I'm going by your word, 500 a month each kid. So
Yeah.
if it's 1,000 a month, the order that is entered as a result of this hearing will stop that obligation effective this month.
Okay.
If there are arrears, those may have to be paid at some point.
No, there's no arrears.
Okay. But like I said, the spousal support will continue to be owed until you take action to address that. So if you come back up and file another motion, make sure you're very specific that it's spousal support and you're aware that the referee can't hear that and it needs to be set in front of the judge. All right.
And okay, I need to tell them that the referee can hear that?
Cannot.
Oh, referee cannot hear that. Oh,
Look at how difficult this is, guys. And guys, I let this go for a while. Guys, this is what it takes for someone to actually consider to give the guy a break, okay? And guys, he doesn't have any arrears because he's been paying. He's been doing everything that he's supposed to do. Now he's halfway at death's door, and that's what it takes for men to actually catch a break in child support court. Clown world.
okay.
That's me. Yeah, that's me. And like I said,
It needs to go for the judge.
yeah, and I'll make sure that they're aware of that up there, that if there's ever a motion to raise or lower spousal support, that I cannot hear those. All right.
Okay, and so I need to go back to where I was before to work with the judge.
Yeah. And did you pay a filing fee for your motion?
Yeah, it was about $80 or $83 or something.
All right. I can't guarantee anything, but because of the confusion, I'll see if maybe the filing fee could be waived on your spousal support motion.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, we're all set for today. You'll get an order stopping child support, like I said. Okay?
And guys, this is from Court Archives. Check out their channel. Guys, I'll put the link to this video and a link to this channel in the description. Guys, what do you guys think? I mean, people would think, oh, the judge went easy on him, but he's in for the fight of his life. He has congestive heart failure or congenital heart failure. He has all of his arteries clogged and all of that. So he has all this extra stress of all this child support and spousal support and all this. His wife's probably out there riding the carousel. You know what I'm saying? Couldn't even agree to just make it easy on him and let him off of child support. He had to go to court on top of all the other stress he has to worry about. Clown world. And guys, please don't put yourself in this situation in the first place. Try and stay out of these courts, guys. You wrap it up every single time. Because do you really think that these baby moms and all these chicks care anything about your health? All they want is that check. All the court wants is that check. All the lawyers want is that check. All these politicians want is that check. Clown world, guys. All right, guys, this is AJ. I appreciate you guys. If you like more videos like this, check out the playlist at the end of the video. Check out my new channel, 50 and 304s, guys. I'm out of here.